How to loop YouTube videos on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to loop YouTube videos on mobile. So let's get started. First, just head over to your YouTube application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you can see, if I were to see this video on completely loop, so first just let me just show you, as it is not on loop currently and it will automatically show me another video. So for that, what I can do simply is just click on this settings at the top right corner once your video ends, or you can also just tap on pause the menu or your video and just click on this settings icon, and you can see there's an option called additional settings at the bottom of your screen. So just select it, and here you can just enable this loop video. So once you enable that, your video will be automatically on the loop mode. So let me just quickly show you. So once your video finishes, it will automatically play with your as your video loop is on. So you can actually turn it off just like this as well. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.